Well, we now know what Daniel Blair is going to be doing with his time. Now, this obviously comes after the whole drama problem with Race Day Live and Ricky Carmichael and all of that. Everything that happened. If you haven't seen, there'll be a card up in the top right hand corner. You can go watch that. We now know he has joined ClubMX and the training facility. And this is not too far off what he was doing before Race Day Live or alongside of it, because at one point he was the former KTM amateur team manager. And in a press release saying, quote, Blair will work with the entire staff and all the members alongside Chief Operating Officer Ben Graves, starting with talent acquisition, director of rider personnel, involvement in the training programs and camps, development of the new app, and team partner relations. Those points alone are a full-time job, but will also extend into marketing, social media, and many of the behind-the-scenes tasks that go along with running a facility, media outlet, and race teams. Along with that, as if that's not enough, he's also going to continue running the Main Event Moto podcast, his own YouTube channel, and also his Supercross U online training program. And we do have a quote from Daniel himself saying, I am passionate about this sport, and although I wasn't really looking for a big change, this opportunity is something I could not pass up. I have known about and been to ClubMX for a long time and always had the utmost respect for how they operate. It's a testament to Brandon and the entire staff there. They're just good people. Here's a chance to take all the skills I have accumulated and use them all in one place. It is like joining a family-owned business as they continue to grow. I know I can make a difference, and I look forward to the challenge. And we also have a quote from ClubMX owner Brandon Haas saying, Daniel and I have worked together over the years in different capacities and have always aligned our views both personally and professionally. I shared the vision I have for ClubMX and potential expansion ideas. Daniel comes with quite a list of talents in many areas that happen to coincide with our needs. I called him on Monday and he was on the property the next day to walk through all the items I had outlined on the phone. So I knew at that point he was serious about the opportunity. I ran the idea past my management team to sort through all the questions or concerns they may have, and here we are. He starts tomorrow, providing our members, team riders, and partners with another valuable resource like Daniel is going to play a key role in the continued growth and development of ClubMX as a whole. Now, obviously, this is going to make him very busy. Doing everything he already was, added on to all of this, he's going to, how you want to say, not have very much downtime, but for him, if he decided this is something he wants to do, it's probably going to be a good thing. I mean, ClubMX has some really good riders, and if he's going to help develop and train the younger guys, who knows? It could be a massive positive for them, and we'll see where this goes, obviously, in the future years. I mean, this year is not going to change all that much, probably, maybe a few training things, but it's going to be a see what he can do for that team in the future, and I don't know, if he chose to do this, I'm assuming he thinks it's going to be a good thing. But so I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Good idea, bad idea. ClubMX, get a super steal out of this. Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.